Just load it up. Go get you some. We got pecan, walnut pieces, pecan halves, peanuts, everything. Go get you one. There you go. Overcast today, but still plenty warm in the 70s. Oh, who's that over there? Here you are. Here you go. Come in. Sweet pea, is that you? Here you go. The prize, the pecans. All right. Here they come. There's a buffet there, boys. Plenty of food. I want to thank everybody who's watching these videos. Keep watching. We just crossed the 3,000 hour mark, which is the first monetization thing. The second one is 4,000. That's the one we're gunning for. Hoping that, you know, anything we can eventually raise will go to these squirrels and birds and our alley cats. Anything we can possibly make here will be going toward animals. That's all it's ever been about, in the animals. But yeah, it's a big shout out to anybody who puts this on and just watches some of these videos. Just a bit of nature. Relax here in Squirrel Land. We're hoping that when we do start with our subscriptions and monetizations, that we can make a little something, and we'll be doing videos and doing shout outs to people that help us feed these babies. It'll be pretty cool and fun. And then some of you guys can help us name some of these babies. Oh, look at that. Who's that? Look at that. Come right up. Hey, Speedy. I hadn't seen you in so long, Speedy. I was worried about you. You keep disappearing. Speedy. Here you go, baby. Speedy. What happened to the top of your head, baby? Speedy. Oh, that is so cool. Speedy. Speedy hasn't been here as much. I think she must have moved a little further away. I know she had several of her babies that look like her that have come over. Oh, so good to see Speedy. I was worried. She vanished for like 2 weeks, and then she showed up, and it was great. And then I haven't seen her since. And there she was. She always seems to come out when I'm by myself out here in the afternoons. That just warms my heart right there. Speedy. Go grab yourself, guys. There's plenty of food up there. It's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, even though it's overcast. Oh, let me bend down here and grab another pecan. I had to get one off the floor in case Speedy shows up. She usually comes back a couple times. It was so cool to see Speedy. Oh, who's that over there? Oh, who's that? Oh, we got him right here. Who's that up there? Oh, let me get you one here. All right, here. You can have Speedy's here. I'll get her another one. Here you go. Oh, no, I gotta grab another one out of the plate. Oh, they're all gonna start to come up to me. I should have grabbed some more pecans to throw. I didn't leave myself many. There's so much up there, guys. Why are you coming up to me? Who is that? Come here. Come here. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Up along. Be nice, guys. You don't need to chase each other's off here. That's so cool to see Speedy back. Oh, here she is again. I knew she'd come back. Speedy. Speedy's back again. Okay. Speedy to return. I told you she'd be back. Speedy will come back a bunch of times. Who's that over there? Who is that? Sweet Pea or Bonnie? We got the little babies over here. I keep having to take them out of the dish now. I'll have to put more out here. Where'd you go? Here. Come on. You know the signal. Oh, somebody else coming. Who's that? 1 second. Here you go. Oh, Mama, you got a pecan there? Speedy. We got Speedy here. Oh. Good. Come here, Speedy. Speedy. Yeah. Take it. 1 second, Speedy. I'll be right back.